Welcome, friends. English preposition quiz is ready to check your English preposition level. Let's start. Questions are available with options and the right answers. Question 1: choose the correct option of preposition. I will meet you dash the park at 3 p.m. I'm repeating. I will meet you dash the park at 3 p.m. Options: on, at, in, by, and. Answer is B. I will meet you at the park at 3 p.m. Question 2. What is the preposition in the following sentence? She is not strange dash me. Options: for, to, with, from, and. The right answer is option B. She is not strange to me. Now, question 3. The cat jumped dash the window sill. Options: on, over, under, between, and the right answer is option A. The cat jumped on the window sill. Now, question 4. The keys are dash the desk. Options: under, over, in, beside, and the right answer is option C. The keys are in the desk. Now, question 5. He is allergic dash cats. Options: to, with, for, by, and the right answer is option A. He is allergic to cats. Now, question 6. She walked dash the room and found her keys. Options: through, under, between, beside, and the right answer is option A. She walked through the room and found her keys. Question 7. They live dash a small town. Options: in, on, at, under, and the final answer is option A. They live in a small town. Now, question 8. I am excited dash the upcoming concert. Options: for, by, at, with, and the right answer is option A. I am excited for the upcoming concert. Now, question 9. The book is placed dash the shelf. Options: on, at, in, between, and the right answer is option C. The book is placed in the shelf. Now, question 10. He apologized dash his mistake for, to, off, on. 4 options are here, and the right answer is Option A. He apologized for his mistake. I hope this lesson will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.